This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Laura Marr. This elegant home is ready for you. Recently painted inside and out, with a new roof installed in 2019. Fall in love as soon as you step inside the two-story foyer with winding staircase. Bright formal living and dining rooms are accented with fabulous picture windows and volume ceilings. The spacious kitchen offers an eat-in nook surrounded by a bay window and breakfast bar. Tile backsplash, granite counters, walk-in pantry and plenty of cabinet space. Frigidaire Gallery stainless steel appliances are a couple of years new, including double oven and a 5-burner gas cooktop. The cozy family room area is open to the kitchen and leads out to a beautiful new travertine patio. The Gauguin model offers a first-floor bedroom/den and full bath with exterior access for cabana. The primary suite, 3 additional bedrooms and a reading loft are found on the second floor. Walk-in closets for each bedroom, including his and her walk-ins for the primary suite. Primary bathroom with double vanities, walk-in shower and separate Roman tub. The backyard is privately landscaped and offers open and covered patio areas ready for entertaining. 3-car garage with long paver driveway has plenty of parking space. This home is located near 2 cul-de-sacs, great for pets and families. Versailles is an upscale, 24-hour gated community with on-site management, resort-style pool, hot tub, fitness center, card room, tennis courts, basketball and a play area. Restaurants, shopping and entertainment all conveniently located nearby. For more information, review the details below or contact Laura Marr at 561-209-8900.